same time as I finish seasoning up and prepping all those things, might as well I just get it out of my way. So I'm making some chicken soup for din din. I bring back Jamaican cock soup, so let me show you guys the one that I'm using. I bring back soup mix from home, Soup It Up. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Oh, I'm out of breath. This morning, or today basically, is chores day for me, as work starts back tomorrow, school starts next week. So I have 1 week to get everything together by the time Tyler head out to school. Ever since we moved, I have these carpets that I bring back from the old house that I want to keep, that I'm washing. This is the biggest one. You guys know this one was in Tyler's room in the old house, but I don't think I'll be using it here anytime soon, so I just need to wash it and put it up. So I'm doing it the old Jamaican way. I'm down on my 4 knees and hands, all 4, and scrubbing this morning. As baby's not feeling well, he started out helping me, but then he just started crying for his back. He can't even move properly, so I don't know what's going on. So he's resting. So I'm just here trying to get this carpet done. And then I have 3 little ones. This white one that you see him peeking out here, which looks brown, so that white one needs to wash. A green one and the one for the front door. So I'm just gonna wash those and get on with my day. Tyler is inside being a good sport as usual, watching his tablet. I have a bunch of stuff to do today that I want to get done, and it shall be accomplished. I set out with that goal in mind, so I'm just gonna get it done. So I set out with those goals in mind today, and I'm going to get as much as I can possibly get done today. So hopefully you guys are having a good day, whatever it is that you guys have to do today. Time management, make the day productive, get it done, stay loved, stay blessed, stay positive, stay away from negative people, and just live your life and do you. Be happy. I love you guys. If it's your first time to our channel, of course subscribe and turn on your notification bell, that way you don't miss a video. Anyway, you guys, I have a lot to do around here, so let's go. Mission 1 has completed. I finished washing all those mats outside, and now it's time for the kitchen. I have all this meat to season up. 1, 2, 3 containers of meat to season up. I have chicken, I have escalope, I have another whole chicken in here, I have fish, and I have chicken liver in here. So all these things I'm gonna season up right now and marinate and jump into task 3. Anyway, you guys, let go. Alright, you guys, so I finished prepping all the meat, and I'm just gonna put no, Tyler, I'm not finished. I'm just putting some seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning. No, I'm not finished. This all-purpose seasoning, I took it back from Jamaica, so you know, when I use this, I don't have to use no other seasoning, because this bad boy has everything. Only thing I'm gonna add is some additional salt to this. This one is escalope, so I just need to season that. I need to put some browning on this one, and I'm going to mix this one up. I'm not gonna put anything on that. This one I can get curry and brown stew from it, and this one I can steam that. This kitchen doesn't come with an oven, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys noticed that this kitchen that comes with the house don't come with an oven, so I can't bake or oven jerk anything right now. Yes, Tyler?
It's the apple patroya.
It's the what?
Apple patroya.
Oh, cool. Can you say morning, Faith?
Morning, Faith.
What you eating?
Patty.
You eating patty?
Juice.
He's having patty and juice and chilling. Alright, eat up your patty. Eat up your patty.
Tablet.
And watching tablet?
Yes.
Alright, eat up your patty. Can Mama have one?
Thank you.
Can Mama? Oh, thank you. Oh, yummy. You love patty? You give him one more? Thank you. You love patty?
Yes.
Alright, eat up. I love you.
Eat up.
I love you.
And eat up.
Okay, I'm gonna eat up. That's my browning, and I won't put any color on this. I'm just gonna put the seasoning on it, and onion and garlic and stuff. I'll put those on when I'm cooking all these things. So let's mix this bad boy. Yeah. I think he's sleeping. Go look if he's sleeping. He's not feeling well, so take your time, okay? I'll leave these to marinate for a while, and then I'm gonna cut up some veggies right now. Alright you guys, so celery finished cutting up to make green juice starting back tomorrow morning, and veggies all finished cut up so that in the week I can just pick up, wash and cook. And in here I have carrot, string bean and broccoli. Yes baby? Who goes? Who does that? Marcos, that's what Marcos does? Okay, he stuck his tongue out. Alright, and now I need to pause to give you a bath. Go. Bath time. Bath time. Nap time.
Nap time. And he said the bath time.
Bath time. Go take off your clothes. Go on.
The bath time.
Go.
It's morning time.
Guys, I'm making dinner at the same time as I finish seasoning up and prepping all those things. Might as well I just get it out of my way. So I'm making some chicken soup for din din. I bring back Jamaican cock soup. So let me show you guys the one that I'm using. I bring back soup mix from home, soup it up. So one of this is in it. So dinner is well on its way. Ooh, the soup's ready for my tummy. Ready for soup? Ready for soup, guys?
Because I'm
It's hot.
Mama.
Yes.
Corn and chicken.
Yeah. What else is in there? Yeah, and what is this? Dumpling. Yeah.
Carrot dumpling.
Yeah. See carrot here. Look. And what is this? What's this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple? No, it's potato. Pineapple don't go in soup.
The pineapple.
He's so yes.
We're walking to the school.
Yeah. We're walking to Thailand school. Bravo. You guys, after that powerhouse pot of soup and all that work that I did before, I still went around and cleaned the toilet and cleaned the bathroom and get myself a good warm nice shower. There are more things to do, but we're just going for a little walk to Thailand New School. Thailand New School is close to home, so he's excited about school and he can't wait to go to school. Let him be independent, honey. Oh, when we cross? No, the next one, not this one. Let him go. Let him walk by himself. So we are just going to Thailand New School. Walk in the corner,
Just afraid every time I see him.
In the corner. Just tell him in the corner and he'll be fine. In the corner, please. We're going to Thailand New School. You want to walk with me?
Yeah.
Give me a hand. Going to Thailand New School, and yeah, when we get back home we'll do what we have to do. Baby's still feeling so with his back.
I'm a little bit better, but I'm not.
You didn't see them all morning?
No, I was in pain all morning.
Poor soul. He was like a not even newborn this morning. He was past newborn. I felt so bad for him. Yes, Tyler? Okay. So baby's not, he's feeling a little bit better than this morning. What was I saying?
Yeah, I was doing some reading in terms of, they say when your back is hurting you, like you can't do nothing. I mean, you do a little rest to, okay, just be able to stand, but then you need to make your muscle work. You can't let, how can I say, you can't just lay down and rest and wait on it to feel better. They say if you do that, that's going to take weeks. You have to walk, you have to make your body
when Papa talking, Tyler, you have to wait.
You have to do different things. You can't do the same activities, but you have at least to do some things to make your body walking and
go in the
control of
corner.
the pain. So yeah, I just tried. I can't do what I wanted to do. I can't lift up anything.
He couldn't help me do nothing today. I woke up with a mission in mind so that babe could help me, and if I had him, I would have finished long time and get to rest. I even catch a little nap during today. I was so tired. Oh my God, if I had him to help me, I would have finished doing what I have to do. Because when he's doing that, I could be doing that and I would have finished already. But hey, it is what it is. So I had to get it all done by myself. But I'm so proud of myself. I got so many things done today with just a little minor things left to do. Anyway, you guys,
it's almost 8 p.m.
Yeah, it's almost 8 p.m. We are just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching. We're going for a little evening scroll, and if it's your first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Catch up and keep up with the fam. But we won't give you guys any expression today. We're just going to enjoy the rest of the evening and relax. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.